If you're encountering a LeadSync error on Market Leader 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause synchronization issues. Step 2. Restart Market Leader. Close the Market Leader application completely and then reopen it. This can refresh the system and resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Step 3. Update the application. Check for any available updates for Market Leader 2026. Keeping the software up to date can fix bugs and improve performance, including lead synchronization. Step 4. Review lead settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the previous steps, reach out to Market Leader's customer support. They can provide specialized assistance and help you resolve the LeadSync error. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the LeadSync error on Market Leader 2026. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from support.